Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Super Mario Bros. S on a Chromebook. Firstly, make sure you have Linux enabled on your Chromebook. If you don't, the video will be linked in the description. And then after you enable Linux, go to this website which will be also linked in the description. Scroll down and then click the Linux version. Okay, so now that's done, hit show in folder. Okay, so what you want to do is right click on the file, hit cut, and then go into the Linux files, right click, and then hit paste. Okay, so now that's done, it's command time. Okay, so what you want to do is type in terminal. Okay, so what you want to do is copy the first code. Hit Control C to copy, and then hit Control Shift V to paste inside the terminal, and then hit enter. And now what we will do is make Super Mario Bros. Executable. And now we will launch Super Mario Bros. S to make sure everything works. Okay, so what you want to do is close Super Mario Bros. Okay, so now what we will do is update our system. And now what we will do is install a menu editor to always launch Super Mario Bros. S. Well, I already installed it. Well, when the prompt comes up, do you want to continue? Hit Y and then hit enter. And then after that, copy the last code. Okay, so what you want to do is click games and then press new item and name it Mario. Oh, Super Mario Bros. S. Hit OK, and then click this, and then choose the second one that's named SMBS-V021-Linux.x60 86_64. Then click open and then save the launcher. Okay, so now that's done, you can close the terminal and the document for now, and then go on your launcher and you will see Mario Bros. S is right here on my Chromebook, and now we will launch it. And as you can see here that Super Mario Bros. S is installed on my Chromebook, and I'm gonna check it out. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.